And welcome everybody to DrSwiss Moto. Today we have a bit of a different start of the day because we are in the highway. So we are heading to RIBE, Switzerland. What that is, I'm gonna explain to you when we get there. I'm right now en route to meet up with El Drono. Those who saw the last video know, yes, I did it again. And yeah, it's gonna be a good day. We are gonna be in Zurich at a little airport, surrounded by children, helping children, and it's just gonna be a good day. Every day you can help somebody out, it's a good day. So let's head on out, let's find El Drono, and let's get this day started and get some good mojo for ourselves. So I'll be right back. So we are back and we are on our way to the meetup with the team at RIBE. I have El Drono with me, which I just signaled. Come next to me, boy. El Drono, say hello to the camera. So yeah, we are on our way and soon we'll be there. And it's gonna be a great time, I think. I don't know, who knows. No, it's gonna be good because it's for a good cause. And yeah, I'll let you know when we're there and I'll show you around a bit, show you some bikes. It is sponsored or put together by Harley Davidson, so I'm pretty sure there are gonna be a lot of Harleys there and whatnot. So yeah, stay tuned. It's gonna be a great time. So, see you in a minute.
Won't you take me home and give me wings to fly? We can be alone in the castle in the sky. We can run away and leave this world behind. Please just take me home to a castle in the sky. Castle in the sky. Castle in the sky. Won't you take me
I can wait another minute. I can wait another second to be with you for an eternity. I feel like I am in a daydream. Every moment that I spend with you, with you.
Won't you take me home and give me wings to fly? We can be alone in the castle in the sky. We can run away and leave this world behind. Please just take me home to a castle in the sky. Castle in the sky. Castle in the sky. Won't you take me
Hallo, hallo. Willkommen mit RIBE oder Love Ride. Schau, die Leute haben schon unsere Fahnen an. Wir freuen uns, bis es losgeht. Genau. Ja, ist cool. Mega cool, dass die Leute sich bereit dazu erklärt haben zum Mitfahren. Ist natürlich für einen guten Zweck. für Muskelkranke vor allem, oder einfach auch Behinderte. Und ja, ist cool. Was dürfen wir machen mit RIBE, gell Kevin?
Mega!
Wow.
Mega! Nein, wir freuen uns mega, dass so viele Leute gekommen sind. Wo man nicht gewusst hat, wie das Wetter rauskommt, haben sie gesagt, hey, wir sind dabei, für einen guten Zweck fahren wir alle mit. Wir sind mega happy, ja.
Man hört schon im Hintergrund, gell?
Die ersten
Dörfer sind schon am Starten. Das ist unglaublich. Ich weiß nicht, ob du es von der Kamera siehst, den Umfang von der TÜV.
Also ich habe da schon ein bisschen etwas aufgenommen.
Ja, das ist gut.
Ja, meine Hände sind kurz. Für das braucht man so einen grösseren.
Nein, es ist mega. Und auch so die Spirit-Dinge sind mit den Leuten, das ist mega cool. Vorne hat ja noch die Festwirtschaft und alles, mit Händlern etc. Das ist wirklich jedes Jahr gut.
Okay.
Jedes Jahr.
Und einfach der Grund, wieso dass wir alle da sind, ist genial. Oder? Von dem her.
Genau. Ich glaube, mehr Grund braucht man nicht. Zum Fahren für einen guten Zweck, gibt es etwas Besseres. Gibt es meiner Ansicht nicht. Und ja, es macht auch Freude. Wirklich, wie der Kevin gesagt hat, der Spirit. Auch unter den Biken, es ist einfach, wir sind die geilste Community, die es gibt. Punkt.
Stimmt. Gut, in dem Fall gehen wir fahren.
Yes! Gute Fahrt, bis bald!
So, welcome everybody, I'm back. We are in a massive group of hundreds of bikers. As you've seen on the video before, it's in German, I know. I am in Switzerland, so we speak Swiss, German. And this event has been freaking amazing. So everything we are doing to help raise money for children that have all sorts of diseases, and it's just, I think, is there a better reason to be out on the bike and just look at that, all the people saying hello on the sides of the road. It's just incredible. Everybody's here for the same reason, everybody is happy. It's just a great event. So as you can see, I picked up a teddy bear which you could buy, and again the proceeds go to help to find cures and to help children that have diseases, all sorts of diseases. And yeah, it's a beautiful event, and you know why you're here, so it just helps with it all. So yeah, now we are in this massive convoy of people, and it's just absolutely incredible. Everybody on the side of the road saying hello. Look at that. That's incredible. I love that. All the parents take their kids to the side of the road. Everybody's happy to see us. It's just incredible. And we are here with RIBE. RIBE is the company I work with. I'm an ambassador of. You can read all about them. I'll put a link in the description with their website. You can go check them out. It's amazing. You can rent out a bike and come to this event next year if you don't have a bike, because it's just amazing. It's amazing. First time I've done this, and it's just incredible. So I'm gonna say goodbye because it's bound to get hectic. Thank you for watching. Next year, if you can, come by, take part on the event, say hello, help raise some money, and just keep spreading the good mojo, because it's worth it. So with that being said, bye guys, and see you next time. And let's say bye bye to everybody. Let's give them some revs. They want some revs. Usually that doesn't happen. Nobody in Switzerland wants to hear you rev your bike, and today they are all out and they all want the same thing. It's freaking beautiful. So yeah, with that being said, bye guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. If you can, go check Love Ride Switzerland's website. Maybe you could help by going there, and yeah, just bye guys.